Hello everyone, and welcome back to the OptiTrack Livelink tutorial for Unreal Engine. In the last video, we set up a retarget for MetaHumans to get the best looking animation for them in Unreal Engine. To finalize the MetaHuman pipeline, we will be covering facial data on our MetaHuman. First, we've enabled all of the plugins we need for this so far, so you should see in your Livelink window under Sources, Livelink Face and MetaHuman Video. Here are the differences between the two. Livelink Face is an app that you can download on the App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Android. It uses the phone's camera and hardware to process the facial data that you can then stream over to Unreal Engine. You may want to use this app, for example, if you want to make use of the iPhone's depth sensing or video reference playback features. MetaHuman Video uses a PC's webcam device or other camera device to feed the video data directly into Unreal Engine. You can use this if you have an HMC that is recording data externally, or if you want to record facial data after the fact. We will cover both options here, but just know that for the overall setup, the process is basically the same. Now, keep in mind that if you choose MetaHuman Video, the reference data isn't recorded, so you will have to find a different way to do this. Honestly, there may be a way to do this in Unreal Engine natively, but I haven't seen a way to do so. If you find a way, be sure to comment a solution. First, let's go over Livelink Face. After you download Livelink Face from the App Store, you may be prompted to follow some on-screen instructions. Do those, and then your front-facing camera should appear. Make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection as what your computer is on. You can set up things like the device's name, timecode source, and other items, but there shouldn't be too much you have to do. Back in Unreal Engine, go to the Livelink window and click Add Source, and then Livelink Face. Click on the source itself, and if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi properly, you should see the phone's name as a source subject. You can double click it and it will add a subject to the Livelink list. Then, click your subject and turn off head orientation and head translation. Strike a neutral facial expression, and then click Capture Neutrals. This will take a second to set the neutral pose of the face. Afterwards, you will have data from the phone that is capturing the facial expressions. Now, create an animation blueprint in your content browser and select the skeleton for the face of the MetaHuman. You can go to the face skeletal mesh, right-click it, and then select Create Animation Blueprint. Name this animation blueprint, and then in the animation graph, right-click and add a Livelink pose node. Then from the subject dropdown, select the face subject from the list. Connect the two nodes, click compile, and save this asset. And then add the animation blueprint to the face component of your MetaHuman. Refresh the Livelink skeletal animation component, and now you've got facial animation. So next is the MetaHuman video process. It's basically the same minus the networking part. Click on Add Source and then select MetaHuman Video. Click on the source, and under the Create section, you should see a webcam device. If not, there is a refresh button to help you troubleshoot. Type in what you want your subject's name to be and click Connect. A subject should appear in your subject list. If you click on your subject, some extra properties will appear. You can also review your webcam's feed from here. You will want to disable the head orientation and translation and then capture neutrals like before. Follow the same steps of making an animation blueprint and applying it like before. And now you've got facial animation from a webcam. Again, keep in mind that with Livelink Face, you will be able to record the video reference to your editor. However, with MetaHuman Video, I have not yet found a way to do so. So if you find a way, again, please be sure to comment it down below. Nonetheless, we've got facial animation in two different ways. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.